Hi everyone! Today, we are going to learn the 8 parts of speech in English. Let's make it easy and fun.
English has 8 main parts of speech. Number 1. Noun. Noun. A word that names a person, place, thing, or idea. For example, person example, Ollie, teacher. Place example, cobble, park. Thing example, book, car. Idea example, love, freedom. Sentences examples. Ollie is reading a book. Kabul is a beautiful city. Number 2. Pronoun. Pronoun. A word that takes the place of a noun. For example, I, you, he, she, it, we, they. Sentences examples. She is my friend. They are playing football. Number 3. Verb. Verb. A word that shows an action or a state. For example, run, eat, sleep, go is are. Sentences examples. He runs fast. I am happy. Number 4. Adjective. Adjective. A word that describes a noun. For example, big, small, beautiful, happy, red. Sentences examples. This is a big house. She has a beautiful dress. Number 5. Adverb. Adverb. A word that describes a verb, adjective, or another adverb. Shows how, when, where, or to what extent. For example, quickly, slowly, very, often, here. Sentences examples. He runs fast. She is very happy. They arrive early. Number 6. Preposition. Preposition. A word that shows the relationship of a noun or pronoun to another word. For example, in, on, at, under, between, with. Sentences examples. The book is on the table. I live in Kabul. Number 7. Conjunction. Conjunction. A word that connects words, phrases, or clauses. For example, and, but, or, so, because. Sentences examples. I like tea and coffee. He is tired, but he is happy. Number 8. Interjection. Interjection. A word that expresses emotion or surprise. For example, oh, wow, hey, ouch. Sentences examples. Wow, that's amazing. Ouch, it hurts.